Hello, little learners. Welcome back to our fun and exciting world of letters. Today, we're going to dive into the magical realm of the alphabet. Are you ready to have some alphabet adventure? Let's get started. First up, we have the letter A. A is for apple. Can you say apple? Let's practice writing the letter A together. It's like a big mountain with a slanting line down. Fantastic. You're doing awesome. It's just like apple and like ape. Now let's meet our friend B. B is for butterfly. Can you flap your arms like a butterfly? Awesome. B looks like a big belly and a stick. Now what other words start with B? Banana and balloon. You're doing so well. Now, let's explore the letter C. C is for cat. Can you make a purring sound like a cat? Meow. Oh, that's nice. C looks like a big curve. Now, let's think of more words with C. Car and cupcake. That's good. You're becoming word experts. Our next letter is D. D is for duck. Can you quack like a duck? Quack, quack. D looks like a tall stick with a little curve. Now let's think of more words with D. Dinosaur. And dolphin. Great job, little word explorers. Let's hop over to the letter E. E is for elephant. Can you make a trunk with your arm like an elephant? Good job. E looks like a ladder. Now, what words start with E? Elephant. And egg. You're getting the hang of this. Now let's flutter into the letter F. F is for fish. Can you make swimming motions like a fish? Swim, swim. F looks like two lines with a cross in the middle. What about words with F? Fish and flower. You're swimming through these letters like a pro. Get ready for the letter G. G is for giraffe. Can you stretch your neck like a giraffe? Stretch, stretch. G looks like a big circle with a little hook. Now, let's think of more words with G. Giraffe. And guitar. You're reaching new heights of learning. Hopping over to the letter H. H is for hippo. Can you stomp your feet like a hippo? Stomp, stomp. H looks like two sticks with a little bridge. Now, what words start with H? Hippo. And house. You're building a word house of knowledge. Introducing the letter I. I is for igloo. Can you make a dome shape with your hands like an igloo? Great! I looks like a tall stick without a hat. Now let's think of more words with I. Igloo. And ice cream. You're chilling with these icy cool words. Journeying to the letter J. J is for jellyfish. Can you make wavy motions like a jellyfish? Well done. J looks like a hook. Now, let's think of more words with J. Jellyfish. And jacket. You're jiving with these jazzy words. Kicking off with the letter K. K is for koala. Can you pretend to climb a tree like a koala? Climb, climb. K looks like a tall stick with two little kicks. Now, what words start with K? Koala. And kite. You're soaring high with these fantastic words. Landing on the letter L. L is for lion. Can you roar like a lion? Roar. L looks like a long stick with a little loop. Now, let's think of more words with L. Lion and lighthouse. You're shining a light on these fantastic words. Moving on to the letter M. M is for monkey. Can you swing your arms like a monkey? Swing, swing! M looks like two mountains meeting at the top. Now, what words start with M? Monkey. And moon. You're reaching for the stars with these words. Navigating to the letter N. N is for nest. Can you make a nest with your hands? Great! N looks like a tall stick with a little hump. Now, let's think of more words with N. Nest. And noodle. You're noodling through these letters like a pro. Opening up to the letter O. O is for octopus. Can you wiggle your arms like an octopus? Well done. O looks like a big round circle. Now, what words start with O? Octopus. And orange. You're squeezing the juice out of these words. Proceeding to the letter P. P is for penguin. Can you waddle like a penguin? Waddle, waddle. P looks like a tall stick with a big belly. Now, let's think of more words with P. Penguin. And pizza. You're cooking up some great words. Quirking up to the letter Q. Q is for quail. Can you make a quacking sound like a quail? Quack, quack. Q looks like a big belly with a little tail. Now, what words start with Q? Quail. And queen. You're royalty with these queenly words. Roaring into the letter R. R is for rainbow. Can you imagine the colors of a rainbow? Beautiful. R looks like a tall stick with a little kick. Now let's think of more words with R. Rainbow. And robot. You're robotic with these cool words, slithering to the letter S. S is for snake. Can you hiss like a snake? Hiss, hiss. S looks like a curvy snake. Now, what words start with S? Snake. Yum. And sun. You're shining bright with these sunny words. Traveling to the letter T. T is for tiger. Can you roar like a tiger? Roar! T looks like a tall stick with a little roof. Now let's think of more words with T. Tiger. And train. You're on the express train to word mastery. Unraveling the letter U. U is for umbrella. Can you open an imaginary umbrella? Great! U looks like a tall stick with a little hump. Now, what words start with U? Umbrella. And unicorn. You're creating a magical universe with these words. Venturing to the letter V. V is for volcano. Can you make an exploding sound like a volcano? Boom! V looks like two sticks meeting at the top. Now, let's think of more words with V. Volcano. And vegetable. You're harvesting some great words. Waltzing over to the letter W. W is for whale. Can you make a spout like a whale? Spout. W looks like two mountains with a valley in between. Now, what words start with WW? Whale. And watermelon. You're making a splash with these watery words. Exploring the letter X. X is for xylophone. Can you pretend to play a xylophone? Ding, ding. X looks like two sticks crossing each other. Now, let's think of more words with X. Xylophone and fox. You're foxy with these tricky words. Yearning for the letter Y. Y is for yellow. Can you show me something yellow around you? Great. It looks like a tall stick with a little tail. Now, what words start with Y? Yellow. And yogurt. You're yogi masters of the Y words. Zooming to the letter Z. Z is for zebra. Can you gallop like a zebra? Gallop, gallop. Z looks like two sticks meeting at the top with a little zigzag in between. Now, let's think of more words with Z. Zebra. And zipper. You're zipping through the alphabet like pros. Zoe. That was an incredible alphabet adventure, exploring letters L through Z and discovering fantastic words together. You're true word wizards now. If you had a blast, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more thrilling adventures. Until our next journey, happy word weaving!